What's up, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? Want some garlic? I am Junior, aka Malachi, and we are going to do a series about learning how to cook. We're going to start this evening with a hunk of beef that I bought. This is, I don't know if you can see that or not. I hope you can. This is Wagyu beef ribeye boneless steak. Oklahoma Wagyu. Good stuff, hopefully. So what we got going here is we have some stick of real butter, sweet cream butter, salted, and a piece of garlic. I'm going to take this butter here, and I'm going to slice me some pats of butter. Probably half a stick, I guess. I've never done this before. I read on interweb how to do this, and I think I got it figured out pretty much. But I hope I do, because I really don't want to throw this steak away and eat freaking pizza for supper. Alright, here we go. The Wagyu. We're going to cut it open. My dogs are sitting here just staring at me. They're like, oh, Daddy. Oh, Daddy, what do you got up there? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Alright. I trimmed it all. I trimmed it up. I got these big hunks of fat here. I'm going to hang on to those. And I got this little nugget. I'm going to share this with my dogs. There's just on the end here. I'm going to leave the rest of this fat probably. I might cut that chunk right there out, maybe. But I'm going to use this fat to season my pan with the butter and garlic. Yeah, there we go. I know, my knife sucks. There we go. Yeah. This is going to be ridiculous. Alright, it's a pretty nice little steak there. We're going to cook it for we're going to season it. And to season it, oh, I got to wash my hands. I just touched my hair. Alright, we're going to season it. We got the sea salt grinder. Hit it with a good generous clap of sea salts and fairly generous clap of powder and pepper. Flip it over and do it again. Don't be afraid. There it is. It's ready. Alright, here we go. I've never done this before. I'm just hoping that I'm going to do it right.
What'd you do?
I preheated my skillet. It's up on like 7. I'm going to throw this fat in. I want this fat in there to render down. Now I'm going to add some of this fat right there. Then I'm going to take this bad dude right here and give it some of this business right here. About a third to a half of fresh garlic. Scrape all that off of there. Don't want to miss that goodness. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Now we're going to take our spatula and mince our garlic up a little bit. There's one big glob. I don't know. We don't want that, obviously. There we go. Now we're going to move all that to the side. We're going to 3.5 minutes on each side, ladies and gentlemen. And that's a whole lot of steak for this little pan. Look at that, mother father. Yep, we got the timer going. Oh, you can smell that garlic. Man, I wish we had smell-o-vision for real, y'all. Oh, yeah. Alright, we're going to use these to pull these pieces of fat out. Oh, buddy. Hope it works. It'd be an expensive mistake if it don't. Alright, now we're going to toss this little tiny piece in. It's super thin, so it ain't going to take very long to cook. That's for my dog. Look at it shrinking up. You can see it moving in the butter. I think we need to flip that steak over. Yeah, see how it's like gone that way and getting fat. I think it's ready to flip. Oh, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. You start the timer. Flip the little piece over. Oh, the smell in here, y'all. Ow, pop me in the face. Oh, yeah. Oh, I cannot wait. I'm very excited. But I want it done right away. This is a little doggy taste right there, boys and girls. And it's gonna rest just like the steak. I think it's probably going to be a little bit overcooked, but for the first time, it's alright. Alright, we're done. There it is. $25 piece of meat. We'll see what happens. To finish it off, I'm going to do this right here. There we go. All right. It's been about 10 minutes now. We've let it sit and rest. I know it's not a cutting board. There it is. And here we go. Let's taste it and see what happens. See how it's kind of red there in the center? Oh.
So that's a good medium rare there.
Mm-hmm. Don't buy Wagyu beef. Whatever you do, don't go to Oklahoma City Farmers Market and buy Wagyu beef from that dude. Don't do it. I'll take care of it. It's not worth it. I'll get rid of it for y'all. It's amazing, y'all. It's the best piece of meat I've ever had in my life.
So I would call that first time cooking Wagyu a success. Yeah?
Very much. Very, very much success. All right, I'm going to eat. See you later.